bata kanina, oh. Okay. Ang tapang nila.
Hello guys! Good morning everyone! So we're roaming around Abagatan Beach, and as expected, it's so beautiful. Its beauty is very natural. If you notice now, there's a lot of boat here in Abagatan Beach because it is the primary living of most of the locals here. And mapapansin nyo medyo maalon ngayon, so just be careful when you go here, especially if it's high tide. Ayan, it's so beautiful. Swimmable itong Abagatan Beach. If you want to enjoy swimming, then it should be in your bucket list here in Pangasinan. So papakita ko sa inyo yung mga boat kung gaano kadami. Ayan, boat tong mga to. Ayan. So halos makikita mo ay boat. Gaya nga ng sinabi ko, it is the primary living of locals here in Abagatan Beach, which is fishing. And so may tulingan daw doon, somewhere doon. Nagmamadali itong mga bangkero para mahuli nila lahat ng tulingan doon.
Ay ganon, so ibig sabihin pag pag bumula na, meron na daw naman nun. Ay well,
And guys, nagmamadali sila, oh.
iba't-iba kung natin. Oh?
Kanina wala pa yung mga bula-bula doon, oh. Tata yun. Yan, nagmamadali yung mga bangkero natin. Kudos sa mga fishermen out there. And guys, oh, tatlo na sila, oh. Papaikutan nila yung tulingan doon. Grabe yung hirap ng mga fishermen natin, no? Kung wala silang makakatch na fish, wala din sila makakain. Oh, pagpurwak na lang niyo, di sila. Oh, nagado. Galunggong. Ay, nagado. So, ganyan po yung buhay nila. Ang galing. Ang galing.
Dapat pagbigyan. Wala kasi daw pa.
Galunggong sa...
No internet, no cellphone, no everything, no computer.
Yung mga bata, naglalaro ng loksong baka kanina. Bending naman sila ngayon. that's it for this video. And don't forget to like and share. Bayan? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, CJ Barlongo Vlogs. Huwag mong kakalimutang kalampagin ang iyong notification bell. So that's it for now, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye! First time na ba?
First time, no?
First time.
Oh, nag-glossy! Nauto!
Baka ka. First time.